Alright, so today I was going to show you how to get your username in the Natrix, your .sats name, and I will show you how to get your clickable link. So I can click on that X logo up there and it'll take me to my X profile. I can click on this sign, whatever I link it to, it will take me to that URL. So we will start by going to geniedata.com, inscriptions, whatever .sats name you wanted. So for say blockrunner.sats, if this shows up, it means someone has it. If I click on that, you can see the wallet that has it. So you want to find one where that doesn't show up. So we'll just put in some gibberish.sats. So nobody owns that one. So we can X that out. Then we'll go find one that's that hasn't been taken. Go to inscribe text, and then I will put this series of code into the description somewhere. Copy, paste, and then you'll just change the Shanghai to whatever name you wanted. So a block runner or whatever it was. That one was taken, so don't use one that has been taken. It makes it invalid, and by invalid it won't show up in the actual collection, and it might not show up on the Natrix here. So shanghai.sats, as you can see, that one was actually taken. I did choose to inscribe that, and it is showing up in the Natrix, but I think they're going to fix that and just make it so only the first ones that were inscribed with that name will be valid. So shanghai.sats is technically an invalid .sats name, although it is working right now. This one with the dots in it, this one didn't show up as a valid one either, so maybe the dots in it, the periods in it, make it invalid. Not sure. The @ symbol and the underscore here were fine, and that is a valid one. So you can add some other characters, I think, to your .sats name, and if it does come up invalid and it doesn't show up in this collection, so when you get a valid one, it'll show up like these do in this collection. And you can see here when it goes into your wallet, it'll have this .sats name. If I click that, it takes me to this collection, and the invalid ones won't have that. And I'm not sure if they even show up in your wallet as such, but yeah, so just something to keep in mind. But if you do get an invalid one, they're quite cheap if the sats per vbyte on mempool are low. So, you know, you might only waste a couple bucks or something. So you can do bulk as well if you wanted. If I wanted to do, 10 different ones at the same time, I can do that. I would go next, put in my receiving address, submit and pay, and then wait until that is in your wallet. You can come to the Natrix and it'll show up in this first one, which is usernames. And you'll click it, it'll show up above your character. Mine is invisible right now, but it'll also show up when you text people. That's not working at the moment either, but it'll show up with your name there. And to make the clickable link, we will just delete all this. We'll just make a new project. New project, assets. We're going to I guess we'll go to Sketchfab and get that GLB file first. So X logo. This is the one I chose. Download. Get your GLB file. I've already got it, so I won't download that again. We will upload X logo. And we drag and drop that in. I'm going to pull it up a bit, change the scale. when you click on that model, you'll get this this page on the right where you can change your values. So X, Y, Z. These are your rotate values in the middle, and these are your sizing values on the bottom. And then I'll just rotate this 90 degrees as well. So that's our model. I will go scene. We're going to go link. This is the link tab. As you can see, it shows up with both of these. And I'm going to take that model, drag it underneath the link. So that puts this link at the bottom of this model code. So this is for, oops, this one's for the actual logo, and then the link is saying that this logo is going to work with this link. So I'll click on that link. I'll come over here, href. So this will be the web address to open when the link is clicked. So I will go to my X page, come in here, paste that, and that's it. So I will name this now X logo. This will do a refresh when you change that name. Just change the description to, and then we publish. Yeah, copy all this, come into the Natrix. I'll just get rid of all this code here for a second. And put my new one in. So now when I click this, it should take me to the link. And there you go. And then now you can just move that around as you need to, changing these values. So, 4, 5, whatever it is. I can add my X values in, 2, 3, yeah, whatever it is. And you can put that, on your wall once you create your space. And that's it.